Alright, so we got the truck on the lift. I think the easiest thing for me to do is put it on this lift and do the rear brakes. I think I cross-threaded 2 of them to the ABS box, so hopefully it's not too bad that I can't fix it. Here's the 2 to the box. You can see that there's some fluid on the 2 nuts, one in the center, one in the end. So this is the old line from the Avalanche, so it's easier to just snip the lines, and then when you snip them, you can put a socket on the bolts and then screw them off like I'm doing right now. So we got one on this corner here, 9/16. See what I'm talking about? Finally, each line was routed and connected successfully. After pumping the pedal a few times and ensuring that there is no leaks, I am finally glad to say that this brake job is done. These lines were a pain and I hope that I never have to do them again. So thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe.